Coming in 5, 4, 3.
The Shark Tank Technology Challenge came out of the 50-plus Community Action Plan in the year 2014. We've done a lot of outreach. We've visited all 26 Fairfax County high schools. This year we actually have a submission from the Madeira School, boarding school for girls in McLean. So we're getting out there, we're reaching everyone. We want to get more homeschool kids involved.
About your project.
Going to 4.
Every high school kid in Fairfax County is eligible to compete.
So the question is no longer whether art can transform lives. It's how quickly we can bring it to those who need it most.
We have such an amazing group of young people here in Fairfax County. We have some of the smartest, brightest, basically kids with amazing potential who are applying that potential today.
Oh my gosh, we spent like 3 months just like grinding it out, but I think in the last week we've done more than we have in the last 3 months. So definitely a lot of time, but it was a lot of fun, so it was okay.
Oh, it's wonderful. You know, as chair of the Older Adults Committee, we actually spend a fair amount of time looking at technology. Sometimes it's technology that can be a challenge for our older adults population, for example, relating to scams. But also technology really can help solve some of the problems that many of our older adults face. And we're seeing that here in the Shark Tank program today. Young people coming up with ideas how technology can be used to help older adults live better lives and to thrive.
I keep thinking that the kids are going to run out of ideas, but they do not. Year in and year out, they come up with innovative ideas. A lot of it is based on stuff they see in their own families. So I highly encourage our Shark Tank participants to take a look at what's going on around them. See what kind of problems they have that they see every day, and see what kind of solutions they can come up to make life easier for the older adults, adults with disabilities, and caregivers around them.
Come watch this program. This is a fantastic confluence of technology that's under development by our young entrepreneurs and young innovators here in Fairfax County, and they're solving real problems in the community. If you want to see that, if you're interested in some of the new innovations that are coming out by these young innovators, come watch the program. It's going to be worth your time.